guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ty No Banks, and I'm in New Orleans. So I just wanted to do a room tour. I was thinking about if I wanted to vlog or not, but this is like my first convention, and I'm in New Orleans. And as y'all might have heard on the news, they said it was like flooding and stuff, but it's like no flooding. It's sunny outside, like, so the dude should be lying. But I'm gonna show y'all this room. I'm staying at the JW Marriott. It's nice, y'all. This is nice, period. The nicest hotel room I've stayed in. Other than when I was younger, I went to, well, I stay in like resorts when I went on family trips. Like, those rooms were nice, but like as a hotel room that I paid for, this is nice. So I'm gonna show y'all the room. Okay, y'all, so as y'all already know, my room tours I always start at the door. So with this type of door, it's like a sensor door, so you have to have your room key and you just, you know, move it in front of the sensor and then open it. And then right next to the front door is a closet. It's a small closet, but it'll do. And I'll probably use 2 or 3, maybe 2 hangers, so my sisters can have something to hang their stuff up on. And if they don't use them, then I'm gonna use them. But if you turn to your left, my right, you will see the bathroom right here, and it has a sliding door. So it'll disguise the bathroom, which is so cool to me. So I love this sliding door. Would I want this in a house? Maybe. So going into the bathroom, it's just a regular bathroom, but I really love how the marble is on the floor and the wall. And it would have been cool if it was on the ceiling too, but I know that probably would have cost a lot of money. So you walk in, the regular toilet, and then a regular standard shower, and then you turn, and this is my favorite part, the mirror. I love it. Love the mirror, simple. Of course, y'all see me. This is my airport look. Hey, y'all. So then you come out, and it's this little nook right here. And if this was a house, you could put like a little plant right there. And you come down some more, and there's that lovely mirror that everybody seems to have in their apartment or their house. I want one. Love this mirror. And then you turn, I know in the reflection you can see the beds. And this is a room with double beds. And that one over there is like wrinkled because that's the bed I'm sleeping in, and I kind of laid in it already. But me and 3 of my sisters are going to be sharing this room. So 2 over here, then me and my other sister over there. 2 in each bed, of course. So I think that's simple and cute. And then I really love what they did with the wallpaper. It's like hummingbirds and flowers, and it's just so pretty to me. Like, I really do like that. It really brings in the colors of like the headboard and the sheets and just everything. And then I also like this nightstand over here. It's pretty, really pretty. Of course, you know, the rooms come with a phone, and it comes with an alarm clock. And then of course I got the lights on like a crazy person, just for the, you know, to set the tone for the video. So then along this wall is the little, I want to say the study nook, I want to call it that. So basically, yeah, this is it. I love how this is probably burgundy, but I'll probably be the one that one gamma said they be like, it's maroon. It might be maroon, I don't know, but this is cute. They got the pillows to tie in together. I just got this book bag from Burlington, Steve Madden. It cost me $40. So if y'all want that book bag, y'all already know where it's from. And I bought it for school because, as y'all know, I'm starting grad school, but I wanted to break it in. So, you know, if you buy it, use it. So that's where I got that from. And then the view. First of all, let's stand back. I love big windows. Like, I love that. I wish my room had like these big windows. Love it. And the view's not that bad. So like, this is so pretty to me. Like, I love buildings, and it's very artsy to me through my eyes. So I love that. And as y'all can see, New Orleans is very clear and sunny, and No flooding, no raining right now, so yeah. And then this little desk, cute little chair. I didn't bring no laptop or nothing, but And then right here they just have a book, and it just has pretty photographs in it. Let me see. This is the page. Like, this building is beautiful to me. Like, looking at it, look at the archways. Look at how the balcony is on this side, and it's like, I love that. I just love the balconies. I don't know. It's just the New Orleans vibe. So then you back up off the desk and you turn, and there's a lamp right here, and then boom, my stuff along with the TV. So walking up on my stuff, we got goodie bags. I got my t-shirt. That's my t-shirt. They gave us another GSS bag with snacks in it, so I'm about to snack on that. And then you already know I had to overdo it with the big suitcase. And then they had the complimentary water that I will not be touching because I don't got time to get charged. And then this is just stuff for me. And then this is just my Gamma Sig name tag, and I'm covering my last name. So I don't belong to a chapter right now, so I'm alumni at large. So yeah, this is the whole little TV nook, and I like how they got the mirror going around it, so I can lean this way and you can see me. So yeah, so let me give an overview of the room. Like, this is me just turning in a circle. Okay, y'all, so that is the end of my room tour. I'm hungry, but I'm not like hungry, and I want to wait for my other sorors to get here. The ones that from my chapter, I actually want to wait, and like, so we can all eat together. So I think I'm about to catch me a nap because ain't nobody here, you know. So I really hope y'all enjoy these room tours of hotels that I'm gonna start doing, just in case y'all want to like kind of see where you want to stay. I don't know, and just like see the different things at different prices. I don't know how much this costs every night, but I know like how much I paid for my convention. So I can look it up for y'all on the website, but I don't know how much it is per night. But I'll let you guys know. So if y'all like this video, make sure y'all thumbs up, make sure y'all leave a comment, and make sure y'all subscribe, become a brownie. Like, what are you waiting on? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.